Well, hello there. Welcome to Trial and Error. My name is Marta, and today we are making glitter ornaments that you can use to hang on the tree or decorate everything else for Christmas with. So these are pretty easily made. You just need a couple of ingredients and some glitter, and you're good to go. And this is also a very good tip if you are looking for cheap and easy DIY projects to give away as gifts. So stay put and I'll show you how to do it.
The main ingredient and the most important part is these blank ornaments. These come in both glass and plastics and also in many shapes and sizes. And as you'll see later, I also use a set of star-shaped ones. Now, if you do this with children, I would recommend using the plastic ornaments just in case. They should have both types at the craft store. When decorating the piece, it is best to remove the top part which attach the thread or ribbon. So just press the wire together and release it from the socket and voila, it is out. Also, I thought the silver string was a bit plain, so I got this black satin ribbon to tie up the ornaments instead. I'm also a huge fan of red ribbon on Christmas ornaments, but I already have that lying around somewhere, so I just gotta find it in my creative chaos. Like the title says, to decorate the ornaments I'm going to use glitter. So I got these glitter shakers at the craft store and I thought I'd try some gold this year in addition to the silver and whites I normally go for. I also picked up this green jade color glitter since I want to try making the Grinch bulbs I've been seeing all over Pinterest. So we start off by filling the ornament with some watered out Mod Podge, and it is easily poured in by making a funnel with some paper and tape. Swirl it around until the walls are covered and pour out the excess. Then, while the Mod Podge is still wet, use a clean funnel to pour the glitter in and again swirl the ornament to cover the walls with glitter. Pour out the excess and let dry before putting the socket back in. I find it best to fasten the socket first and then pinching the wire all the way in to prevent ruining the glitter coating on the sides. For my star-shaped ornaments, I wanted to try applying the glitter to the outside and get the kind of magical winter wonderland effect. So first I took some Mod Podge and coated the outside with it before attaching the glitter, and I repeated the process until the whole ornament was covered in an opaque layer of glitter. So this process is tedious like no other. It might not seem like I've been at this for a long time, but my raw footage is actually over 30 minutes here. But the result though, it is like drawn from a winter wonderland. For my Grinch lookalike, I did the same process as first shown with the glitter on the inside of the ornament. And then I got some acrylic paint and started painting. So have fun with this time lapse of me slowly losing my mind. So here's our final selection of glitter ornaments. This was a fun process, but the only problem that occurred is that this one is so full of glitter that it is throwing it around like it was confetti. So this one is festive. This one is the life of the party. This one is just plain old silver, if you're into that. And this one, well, he's the Grinch. So that's kind of exciting. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give me a big old thumbs up. Be kind to each other, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.